I am having this data which is in my notepad file. In this data, I have selected these 4 columns, which is employee name, age, profession and salary. I have the values here in all these columns. You can see there is one difference in the values, that I have written 38,000 salary here and 48,000 salary here, but here this salary is written between the inverted commas, but here it is written like normal value. Now in this file I am having the delimiter as a comma. So while I will improve or import this data into my Excel, read this or separate all these values with this delimiter, like up to comma it will read this as a 1 value. From here it is a value second, it is the value third, and it is the value 4. But for example, I click on import data from text CSV and select this data which is in case 1 and click import. It will connect. Now you can see this is my data which we will import, or this Excel will automatically import this data. But I was having my data like this. Here the salary was like 38,000, but here it is coming as only 38. Why so? Because it is reading this comma which is between the salary to separate the 1000 value. This reading this comma as a delimiter and removing all the value after this comma, because these are the zero values. For example, you want to print the entire salary, you need to put your data or the numeric value which is separated with any delimiter which is used in the file. You need to put that value between the double quotes. Then only it will reflect the actual value in the Excel, otherwise it will separate it. You can see by this way. When I click on load, you can see my data is imported, but here I am having my complete salary as a 48,000, but here I am having only the 38,000, 38 only. So this is how you need to take care of that while importing the data. These are the basic things. Now next we are having from web. You can select this option, you can try all these things already. If you are using them, you can simply import the data from them by clicking as we were seeing in the files, text and JSON format. So I click here on from web. For example, I am having this data which is the data related to the employer percentage or worldwide. I search this data simply on Google and find out this website and copy this URL, and I will import this data to my Excel. I paste the URL here. You need to click from web to pop up this window. Click Control B, then OK. You can see now it is connecting this data, this particular URL, and after connecting it is loading me the pop-up window which is the Power Query window. We will see this next. Here I am getting only one document, one tabular form data only, which is this is only. Rest the data is in graphical form or in different format. So I want to import, for example, this is somehow data. I want to import this data from that particular website. I click on load, and now you can see I have this case, and now my data is loading. Now here we can add the data from server as well, from any URL. Next option we are having, which is existing connections. Existing connections means that the data which I have already imported here, we can also import the same data in any of these. Here I click here, for example, I want that data to be pasted here. I click on existing connections, and for example I choose this data 1-2 which is available in sheet 1. I click that particular range from where I want to import this and click OK, and you can see external data, getting data, means it is loading the data and I am having my data which is also available there. So this is how you can import the same data from different sheet or from existing connections. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.